Defect Elimination Program, Saudi Aramco.
I'm really pleased to be part of the IMC 2024 programs. I'm really proud to win this prestigious awards for the best defect elimination programs. The defect elimination idea came from one of the visits that we have paid to the international conference, capitalizing on previous visit to the international conference, where we have grabbed some tools there that enable us to build these programs. Our ultimate goal is to really promote reliability culture, eliminate defects, and set a safer, more efficient workplace for our employees. The program itself is built with a vision which relies on how to minimize the defect rates within our critical assets in order to ensure our business continuity and meeting the demand of our customers. One of our biggest challenge was the level of experience, how to engage frontliners such as operators, technicians in maintenance, and bring them to the level that we have a maturity and reliabilities. I believe we are heading in the right direction. Lots of cooperation is ongoing now. The frontliners are involving in the process of decision making, where they are highlighting through these programs the problems that matters to them. So in these programs, we are following the strategy of bottom-up defect eliminations. They are more involved, and this is really give the programs advantage. We have seen the result and realized values in several areas, such as the maintenance schedulings and improvement in the mean time between failures, dramatic reductions in the failure rate. We have recorded just last year a zero rework in terms of maintenance activities. And this goes back to the tick time program support and assistance, which is, by the way, accessible to all employees. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey towards reliability improvement should not stop here. I'm very proud of winning such prestigious award. It is energizing us to go forward. We will continue developing to reach excellence and beyond.